Here's what I want you to think about. The value of your account has three main parts. Followers, how many people follow you? Reach, how many people actually see your content? And what's called affinity, that's how many people take action on your content. Now, the first thing to think about before you post is, what is the purpose of this post? The purpose should be aimed at increasing the followers, the reach, and affinity. 90% of the post's purpose, whatever field you're in, should be towards increasing the followers, the reach, and the affinity. Only 10% is to sell your stuff. If you go higher than 10% to sell what you have, you're going to find it extremely difficult, if not impossible, to increase those other parameters of followers, reach, and affinity. Now, if you're a superstar, if you're Kim Kardashian, you can get away with murder, but I'm talking about the normal way to grow a very powerful account. Now, one of the things you got to think about is the algorithm for Instagram, probably for others too. But here's what happens: the instant that you make a post, what happens? Instagram tests out your content on a small group of your followers. Sometimes these are called mini or micro tests. So let's just pick a number. Let's just say they give that content to 100 of your followers. Well, if the response is poor, in other words, the engagement is poor, you're pretty much dead in the water right there. You just wasted your post, eh? And this all happens within a few hours after you post. One of the things that a lot of people don't know, they just put stuff up anytime they feel like it, and then they'll see how it goes. No, you must get your engagement early to pass your micro test, okay? Because if you pass your micro test, then Instagram will show and increase the reach of your post to show it to more people. If you don't pass the test, it's over right there. All right, hardly anybody is going to see it. Now, what is engagement? Engagement is the following: views, somebody looked at it; likes, they clicked the like thing or double clicked on your picture there, or your whatever your post was; comments, that's engagement; shares is engagement. But here's one a lot of people don't really realize: time on post. This is very similar to YouTube, is a percentage of watch time. They want you watching it longer on YouTube. Well, Instagram wants people longer on Instagram. And if you do things that make people stay on longer, Instagram likes you because you're helping them sell more advertising. Basically, the longer people are on there and more engaged, boom, they can show them more ads. See? So you got to do things to increase those. One of the things that you can do is post at the right time of day. Typically, all right, now in general, if you're just starting out and you haven't figured this out that's specific for your account, typically you want to post between 10 and 3 in your time zone. The thing is, you also have to think, okay, what's my time zone? If you find out that most of your people are in California and you're in the East Coast, well, 10 to 3 in California is different than 10 to 3 on the East Coast. So you want to find out where the bulk of your people are coming from. If you got people worldwide and a zillion people, well, you just, post several times a day. Now, I'm not saying 10 to 3 is the best time zone for you, but I'm just saying that when the bulk of the people are on Instagram is when you want to post. And your people, that is, not everybody. You want to post in that time. So that gives the chance for more people to see and engage with your content. Now, I saw a chart that indicated that a lot of people are at work. I mean, it appears that they were at work and doing a lot, the most of it at lunchtime.